Finding the right home remedies for hair growth and thickness can be very important to your overall health and well being. When it comes to hair growth, the body and mind are always in balance, which is why having healthy hair is a great feeling. When it comes to losing or regrowing hair, there are some things that are common to everyone that could be beneficial to you, but it does depend on how severe your case of hair loss or thinning is. The following are simple remedies that should help you out. Here are the 5 best home remedies for hair growth and thickness. Number 1. One of the best remedies for thinning hair is by drinking green tea. This is because of the antioxidants that it contains that can promote better health. You should also take in enough water to make sure that the nutrients from your food do not get flushed away with the saliva. Another home remedy for growing hair is to improve blood circulation. By doing this, you will be able to allow your hair follicles to receive more oxygen and nutrients. It will also help you avoid losing hair faster than usual due to lack of blood flow. Number 2. One other home remedy for hair growth is to use natural herbs. They are effective and very helpful because they have many health benefits such as improving blood circulation. They will also stimulate the immune system to prevent various illnesses that can come from being exposed to harmful chemicals. Another thing that you can do for better blood circulation is by eating more fiber. Fiber helps to clear out toxins from your body and allows your body to reach its full capacity. Having healthy and clean hair can lead to more positive hair growth. Hair are very hard to grow. However, with the right home remedies for hair growth, you will be able to see an improvement in just about anyone's hair. These remedies not only contain effective ingredients that will promote hair growth, but they will also help you fight any possible side effects that may come from using them. With these tips, you should be able to find a home remedy for hair growth that is perfect for you. They will help you achieve the results that you want without the side effects of harsh chemicals. Number 3. Green tea is one of the home remedies for hair growth that you can try. You should take in 4 cups of this every day and do some exercises to stimulate your hair follicles. Drinking green tea will help to improve your blood circulation, which will help your hair follicles in the process. It will also help to increase blood flow to your scalp. When your scalp is receiving this much blood flow, it will be able to work at its maximum efficiency and promote faster hair growth. When you are drinking green tea, you will notice that it has lots of antioxidants that will help to combat free radicals that are caused by the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Number 4. Another home remedy for hair growth that you can try is drinking garlic capsules that are packed with turmeric. Garlic capsules are known for their antibacterial properties and help to fight hair loss. To keep your hair growth from getting worse, you should avoid drinking alcohol. This is because it can make your hair follicles weak and also cause it to lose its vitality. Number 5. If you do drink alcohol, you should drink less than 2 cups of it each day. This will not only help you to get rid of any unwanted hair, but it will also help you to flush out toxins from your body. When your body is cleansed, your body can work better and you will be able to fight the possible side effects of any hair loss drugs that you may have taken. A lot of people have also found that drinking green tea when they are having a bad hair day can actually be helpful to get rid of the problem. The caffeine that comes from drinking green tea is known for its ability to kill bacteria, toxins and fungus that cause dandruff and dry skin. Drinking green tea can help your hair to grow faster and help to promote a healthy scalp. So, there are many home remedies for hair growth that you can try. This includes taking in supplements such as saw palmetto.